I am not who I was yesterday. I am learning, growing, and becoming more every day. Say it slowly, with your breath, with your heart. I am not who I was yesterday. I am learning, growing, and becoming more every day. Dash. Now think for a moment. How many times have you defined yourself by your past mistakes? I'm a failure. I'm weak. I'll always be the same. These are the lies we tell ourselves. Until we start believing them. But starting today, that story ends. You are not who you were yesterday. Everything you learned, everything you endured, everything you survived, it all shaped who you are right now. You've gained awareness through pain. You've learned wisdom through wounds. You've gathered strength through silence. So the next time someone says, you've changed, smile and say, yes, I have. Because I'm still learning. Remember, when a tree grows, it sheds old leaves. In the same way, you must let go of your old days, old fears, and old weaknesses. Because life never stands still. Every morning gives birth to a new version of you. So from today, make yourself a promise. I will not be defined by my mistakes, but by the lessons they taught me. I am growing. I am learning. I am becoming.